Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Overhead digitization. General informations. Don't split lines if not necessary. LV connectivity 220V 3-phase, 4MV connectivity 13.8 kV 3-phase. Distance between cables are 0.2, distance between cable risers are 0.2. Case 1, Low Voltage Transmission Poles, LTP. The best practice is to start from any corner. Using Hyperlink tool, open photographs of the first, second, and 3 RD pole if available, and identify the direction of cables. We will connect the first and third pole as per photograph. On the second photo the cable is not connected, it's just going through it. Case 2, Medium Voltage Transmission Poles, HTP. Open the photo of first, 2 ND and third of poles to identify the direction of the cable. As per photo we can tell that cables are connected with each others. Case 3, Medium/Low Voltage Transmission Pole, HLTP. On this case there are rules to be followed, which are: 1. Distance between the cables is 0.2 m. 2. LV cables will be towards parcel side. 3. Digitize MV cables first, then draw the LV cables. As we can see on photos, the first and third poles are connected as MV cables. We will draw them first. To draw the LV line, select the MV line digitized editor, copy parallel. Select the template, 220V 3-phase low voltage, and change the distance to 0.2 side left/right as per line direction. On this case the side will be left. Now we will connect the second pole, simply by inserting 3 vertexes and connect/snap the middle vertex with the pole. Case 4, H-poles, connectivity with PMT substation. There are rules to be followed. Check for any cable risers, MV/LV. A. If the cable is connected directly from LVDB to poles, northwest need to place cable risers. B. If the cable is connected from LVDB to underground then rising to pole, place cable riser. We'll draw UG 220 voltage, then place LV cable riser, then connect it with LV/OH cable. Case 5, MV cable risers connectivity on H-poles. If there is a cable riser on pole, then we will connect MV/UG cables directly. If there are 2 cable risers then we will maintain a 0.2 m distance and place them accordingly. Case 6, LV/OH cable to service points. Service point that is connected from LV pole to be digitized if located as per picture. Case 7, double/triple circuit lines connectivity. If the pole is containing more than one line we will just copy parallel depending on how many cables are there with a 0.2 m distance between cables.